What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Cheetah wooden coaster at Wild Adventures is no longer operating and actually has been since torn down, but I did find this old footage that I never did anything with because it's pretty shaky, but it at least allows us to relive this fun coaster. Enjoy. As always, I really do appreciate you watching. Let us know in the comments what you want to see on the future of this channel, and if you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Theme Park Group.